Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a really quick little video just in case because I've had a few people have some questions. So if any of your assignments say text entry box or file upload, if it's allowing you to do both, I just wanted to do a quick little run through so that way you could actually see where you need to click for that so that way people are less confused. So this is the week one activity letter to myself, just for example. Some of you all have already figured this out, but I just want to do this real quick in case someone's confused about it. So down here, so when you click on the assignment activity letter to myself, for example, it's going to allow you to either do a Microsoft Word document or it's going to let you type into the text entry box. So if you don't want to do a Microsoft Word document and upload it as an attachment right here where it says file upload, you can just click on text entry and then it's going to open up this box here and you can just type your answer directly into here. Just try to structure it just like you would if you were doing a Microsoft Word document. Make your paragraphs, do your indentations for your paragraph, and then you will just submit the assignment if it's a text entry box. And then if you decide to do Microsoft Word, you would just go to file upload. And then on your computer where you save the Microsoft Word document, you would just choose the file and upload it there. If you do have Google Docs, it's fine to type your assignment in Google Docs. Just make sure that you go up to the File tab after you've typed it out in Google Docs. Go to the File tab and drop down to where it says Download As, and then you can download it as a Microsoft Word document, and it'll save it to your computer as a Microsoft Word document extension. And then you'll be able to upload it that way as a Microsoft Word document. Just FYI, because I've had some students try to upload as a Google Doc. And even though I have a Chromebook, for some reason, I have a lot of trouble trying to open students' Google Doc extensions. So that's why I made it only a Microsoft Word document. So you can do that if you have like a Chromebook or if you're using Google Docs, you can just go to the File tab, drop down to Download As, and then go over to where it says Microsoft Word, and it'll automatically transfer your Google document into a Microsoft Word document. And then you'd be able to upload it like that. And then I'm just going to go to one of the assignments that is only, if it's going to let me, let's see what happens. I'm going to go to one of the assignments that's only a text entry box just so you can see what it looks like. And so this email to the professor from your Rater email is one that is only a text entry box. So since I didn't give you the option to do like Microsoft Word document file upload, you would just click right here on submit assignment because there's nothing for you to click on for an upload. Just click on submit assignment. And then it'll open up that text entry box where you can type in right here that you sent me the email or whatnot. Right here where it says that. You just have to basically type and let me know that you sent me the email. And then you just click down here on submit assignment. So hopefully that clears things up for you all because pretty much everything that you're going to be submitting is either going to be one of these text entry boxes or it's going to be the option of doing either a Microsoft Word document or the text entry box. So that's kind of how you can navigate that. And then there is only one other assignment next week that you're going to be doing for your group assignment. And that one, I did not put any restrictions on the file uploads because there's going to be a video recording type thing that you're going to have to do. So depending on the program that your group decides to use, it should allow you to pretty much upload just about anything. And hopefully this might be one of those glitches that we run across. Hopefully my computer can open whatever people basically decide to upload for their assignment. But we'll get to that next week and just kind of worry about it. If that happens, we'll just have to work through it. But anyway, I just wanted to do that real quickly. I'm going to post this video obviously underneath the one for the Start Here assignment where I did my little 20-minute lecture video kind of thing. I'll put that there just so that way if anybody has any confusion about how to navigate and open up these text boxes. So that is it for now. Hopefully everybody's doing good. I've already started getting emails. I've gotten about 6 of them. And so just keep them coming. Just remember when you're doing the assignments for the week, just go down the line in order because it'll be easiest. That way you're basically getting all of the different requirements in order and things are set up that way so they make sense and they just kind of move along in that direction. So don't skip around assignments and just try to set aside a few days a week where you're logging in, checking in, making sure there's no updates or anything like that. And just making sure you're getting stuff turned in by the due date and everybody will do fine in this class. So anyway, thanks y'all.